First, you're going to open your actions and turn on your drawing guide. Also, click on reference and bring in a picture if you want to work off a reference. You're going to set the vertical symmetry guide, then click assisted drawing and done. Now you're going to go in and begin sketching. You can see me use my reference here. Oops, made the weevil head a little bit too big here. Let's adjust that down. This portion is just about getting symmetry correct, work on proportion, go through, add details, change it up, whatever you got to do. Now we're going to refine the sketch. Really use that reference if you have one. Now I'm going to add where the light parts are and also the pattern on the thorax. You can add a lot of detail here as you go in, or just leave it simple if you feel like you don't need this as reference later. I still have the symmetry turned off here, so the light and the dark areas that I'm highlighting are a little bit different across the weevil. Now I'm going in and creating a new layer, dropping it underneath my sketch layer, putting on my drawing assist, then selecting a new brush. In this case, we're going to use Studio Pen because it's nice and smooth, which a beetle doesn't have a lot of fluffy surfaces, so this is perfect for this particular application. You might want to change it up if you're drawing a different subject that doesn't have smooth exterior. Now I'm just going around the beetle, outlining his entire body from the sketch I just drew. And I did lower the opacity on that sketch since it was done in black so that I can clearly see the lines I'm drawing now. Going back in, and I'm going to fill the body with black since that's the primary color of the animal. You would choose a different color maybe if the base was like purple or blue. I'm doing my final proportion check and adding into any of the little areas that still need a little bit of work. And once it looks good, I go into my layer panels again, that sketch layer, and invert it. So now I can see all of my patterns here on top of my black base. From here, it's all about the details. Just finish up your artwork however you choose to. Happy creating!